Hey guys, what's up? It's me Celeste. Today is kind of a special day to me. Sorry that I'm sounding like that. I'm in the rocky area in my house. I made slime for the very first time. The last time I failed. So today some of you have made it. Today I'm gonna show you how to make it. Ow. And the cool thing about it is that you do not need to use borax and not even that thingy majigger to make it slime. It's sticky. I call it a sticky slime because it's sticky. Ow! Because it's sticky, yeah. So, yeah, let's get right into Sorry. Ow. We're here. So, I'll put it right there. Look at this. This is the sticky slime. Call it sticky because look, it's sticky to the fork. Magic. So the very first thing that you always need is the same thing. Glue. Not the liquid glue, the glue. Sorry about that. I ran out. So what are we gonna do if I ran out of glue? I prepared it. So you're gonna use this. You use how many? You can use a big one or a small one. I don't care. But don't use plastic ones. Use metal ones. So I'm gonna use the oven, that little fire thingy, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm inside the room and I have this inside, so I'm going to put it in this little container and look, it doesn't come out because I guess it's dry. So I put it down there. Put it down there. You need to burn it a little more. My mom didn't let me have time. And don't need to go to sleep. The thing is that I need to go inside. And Melanie, one little question. Melanie, my friend from the school, when are you going to come to my house? Just ask your mom, baby. You don't have to. And bring you know who, okay? So I have it in here. Put it in there. Now I'm gonna use that where I'm gonna use this thing. You know what I used it? I should say it again. I used Tide and shaving gel. Put a little bit on it, then mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mine isn't ready, but I hope you guys are. Then when this is done, when you're done mixing, add another dip. And then you go back and fire it, which is I can't anymore, but you guys could, until it melts again and makes those little bubble things, everything. Okay, now, I'm gonna use the one that I was already done with, the sticky slimy one. So I'm gonna use it because I can't go back in the thingy majigger. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I'm supposed to look like this because I changed it because I couldn't go back in the fire and it wasn't all ready. So I'll get bum bum. Something worse instead of hitting you and you know what. There were no farms. Oh my gosh, this is so sticky. Why slime? Why did I even create you? Okay, there. Here we have it. And I'm gonna have that. And let me repeat the steps. You get a glue, you melt it until it's boiling, then you put it in any container. But put the glue in a metal one, but not plastic, also burn your hand. And then put it in something plastic or I don't know what. Then you leave it for a while. Then you add this 2 dots. It's of Tide, liquid Tide, shaving cream. And wait, so it's made of liquid Tide and shaving cream. Then put it up here. It's like this. Mix, mix, mix. Stir, stir, stir. So I'm stirring. Ay, ay, ay. And please, pretty please, don't use your hands or your hand will get all sticky. You don't want to waste your time. You could do it like this and then put the liquid and put it so it could be much bigger, but I prefer to do this size. Okay, I don't know what, for real, I'm not lying. I don't know which side is the glitter, and the best part is that we're going to use glitter. So first I'm going to check this bag. Or should I check this one? Okay, I'll check this one. No glitter. What about this one? Okay, here it is. So here are the colors. Have red and green. So comment down below what is your favorite color, red or green. It doesn't matter if it's not your favorite color, but just choose one. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and this. I'm gonna do both. The first one is gonna be red. So put it like that. Put some and it's like this. Then let's take up this not liquidy. Oh my gosh, no! So this glitter and put some in. Put it in, put it in. Okay. Give me some time, people. Okay, I piled it up. The next thing is that you always need to do is stir, stir, stir. Like I always say. Stir, stir, stir. Like my brother. Always annoying. So here it is, glittery. We need more glitter. Do we? Yes. I'm gonna put some red. I love red. Out of these two, I don't like red or love red. I mean, I do like it. I only like it a little. But out of these two, the color that I like is red. So I'm mixing and mixing and mixing. So I'm adding a lot. Not a lot of glitter. So I'm mixing and mixing. A very exciting news is hi. I already said the news. We need more glitter. Oh, I know what to do. I'll pause you right there. And the other thing that I forgot to mention is that you need to boil the glue a little. Still needs to be hard and put a little bit in. Make sure it doesn't show. It's fine if it shows. So the glitter that you had to use is the one. Do not put glitter on your hand. Woo! Okay. Oh my god, this is so sticky. So, thing that I'm gonna do, gonna put it in this little container that I have not used anymore. I think, I hope. I'll be right. Okay, guys. Dumbest thing I did is take out the slime and dun 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 dun. Oh my gosh, what happened? Oh my god. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky. If you leave it in one place, oh. So, make sure in this slime, sorry if you guys hear that sound. It's my brother, Instagrammer. So, what I made this, I'm going to explain it again. It's first I put Tide liquid one. I think got it in my liquid. Then I put some shaving gel. And then, there. Then, when you spin it, I think it'll show the liquid from the bottom. Gonna add a little bit more. Show it to coloring. And this is actually a good way to make slime without using the borax, that thingy-majigger thingy. That thing, that's a good way. This is actually a good way. Thing you might have. If you're a kid, your dad has it, that's good. If you're but the bad thing is that I don't know if your parents will let you use the liquid thing. I hope you guys use the liquid thing, because the burning the thing, it's much better than the liquid one. The liquid thing, you need to add borax, water, everything of those. And this is so easy, but much more, harder. Not hard, but like, do you guys know what hard I'm talking about? If you do, good. Okay, guys, watching 21 Jump Street. Sorry that I need to keep on pausing.
Nigga, nobody said that.
Thank you guys for enjoying this video. Sorry guys that I need to keep on pausing. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it up to 100 subscribers. Yeah. And 1,000 likes and subscribers. So sticky. Whoa. The thing is that I might do like challenges, but I don't know when. Doesn't let me use the tablet sometimes. Oh, I might do a video that we go to this beach that there's a lot of sea creatures like jellyfish, and you cannot swim on it. It's just a fun place to see sea creature. I'm not sure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, have fun with the slime. You can do how much you want, and if you make a lot, I bet you'll love it. Okay, I need to pause.